Flight graphics, DVRs are checked and running. Check was complete. Standing by for arrival check.
It's 11 knot gust factor, so we'll add 4. Actually, we'll add 3, so approach instead of being 73, it'll be 76.
Yep.
Very lower landing gear, lowering landing gear. 68, 69.
Copy.
Safety's up.
Gotcha, safety. Alright, so program's off, heading hold, and stall protector off. You still have airspeed hold on, correct?
Correct.
Just make sure we kill that beforehand.
You got it.
Alright, flaps.
Neutral.
And rudder control.
Standing by.
3 down.
Copy. It's level, actually, and here comes power.
Copy. 100. Alright,
50 at 12, gust 18, clear to land, and the approach and departuring tables are connected.
67. More power coming in. There's localizer and high. And I'll kick in left rudder when in the flare.
slightly. Got this.
Cool.
Barrier's clear.
Copy. And alright, so winds are coming 240 subs from the left, so I'll offset left and then turn right.
Copy.
Awesome.
Switching maps.
You got it. 219er.
Copy. Payload set to position where the cavalry for landing. Hub video source to the right.
Okay. Echo Foxtrot Delta cross 16, short 25.
Transponders off. Strobe lights
Off.
TTXR off. Output is still disabled. And sorry. Copy. Turret heaters still auto. Pitot heat. You said it's off.
Yep, manual off left and right.
Do the shutdown check. Let him.
So, cool. Kill SAS. More warning.
10-11, right?
Should be, yeah. 399.3, yeah.
He landed on 2-5.
Copy 6, always taxi to Park V.
Chief Field 206.
Payload power's off, by the way. Parking brake is set. They're putting in chocks.
Since she's recorded.
Anti-boss.
A little more exciting.
You're not the boss.
Actually, use nose IR. That'd be cool. Hands and feet are clear.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
We're on the push forward.